Hey guys, welcome back to day 28 of my application journey. And yeah, today's 28 date. Yeah. So last day, as you see, I was working on the UX of my application, and the post creation thing was done. So I was just taking a little kind of walk pic, and I'm going to show you the progress that I have did. I'm writing some code for the backend logic, and let me twist the screen and share you what's going on right now. So currently, if you can see, I'm writing some backend logic code with the help of my chat GPT for this post creation screen. And what I will do is just need to incorporate 2-3 fields like the help type, the budget and everything into my application, so that anybody who's selecting the category can basically take different kinds of approach for go for creating his or her post. In the previous flow, this was a very big problem because you are posting some kind of request that might involve a budget, and then there are some requests that don't involve a budget. So now it's like in person and remote help, and then there is option for in remote you don't have to set any budget, but in person help you have to set a budget because someone will come up to specifically to your place to help you. So he or she will require some kind of money, extra money, or maybe some money from your side, some budget required. So I have added this, and currently I am doing the logical part for it. Hopefully I will wrap this up in an hour or so, and then I will start on the I think once the post creation is successfully done, I can start on my home screen fixes and change everything here. And but before that, I will move, as I told, I want to fix the profile page and then move on to the home. So without wasting any time, guys, let's start the day. So guys, as I promised, I will be able to complete the profile screen and revamp it with the new UX. So I've tried my best to think of a much better UX and revamping the whole screen. Though two things are left, as you can see, this dark mode and notifications things are left, but the rest of the profile thing I have made it more simpler, much better looking, and not the previous gamified and very complex look. So I'm making the application more sleek, and also, as I promised, I will complete the post creation. I know you have already seen it, but the backend part was actually left for it. Now the backend part is also done. Also, there was a message from one of the users, so I helped him out, and he actually helped me out, not I helped him out. Actually, I don't know, maybe he had some UX experience, so he actually helped me out, and that is why I'm thinking of marking my post resolved here, so that this person can get the credits for helping me out on the UX part. So I'm marking this resolved. I will click on Glucon and then confirm. So this post will be marked resolved, and this person might have got the credits. And so for today, guys, this was it. I will meet you tomorrow with the new things that I need to do. Also, if I get some time in night, I will complete these two things that are left. I am thinking of completing it today only, but let's me see if I get time to do it. And rest of it, I will see you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye, take care.